this is the thing. The reason I'm listening to myself is because I have a fancy new streaming toy. See, this time I'll tell you what it is though, but it's not an endorsement, okay? I only started using it today, so I got a Go XLR. Finally, we are professional. And it means that I can do many fun things that all my friends have been doing, and I have been jealous. Like, you world, I can't believe you. It's pretty good. Okay, I'm really not doing the best. Maybe we should just finish a run and this will be the warm-up.